Cutting Module Adapter Board Replacement Guide for the A2L. Safety warning. Before beginning, it is crucial to power off the printer and disconnect it from the power source. Step 1. Removing the TH board. Use your hand or tweezers to hook into the groove at the bottom of the cover, then lift upward. Use an H1.5 Allen key to remove the 4 screws, then lift upward to unplug the cable. Remove the board connectors. Hold the plug base with your hand and lift vertically away from the PCB to unlock them. Do not apply horizontal force. Use the H1.5 Allen key to unscrew the 3 screws. Pull the board outward slightly, then unplug the FPC cables. Now, carefully turn the board over and disconnect the final connector located on the back. Step 2. Removing the cutting module adapter board. Use the H1.5 Allen key to remove the 2 fixing screws. Then take off the cutting module adapter board. Step 3. Disconnect the adapter board ribbon cable. Installing the cutting module adapter board. Step 1. Connect the adapter board ribbon cable. Align the ribbon cable terminal with the female connector. Then press down firmly to ensure a secure connection. Step 2. Install the cutting module adapter board. Make sure the ribbon cable is not pinched by the adapter board to avoid any damage. Step 3. Install the TH board. Align the new TH board with the micarta sheet and insert the plug on the back. Then press down firmly to ensure a secure connection. Ensure the connector is fully seated. Flip the board and insert the load haul board and extruder motor FPC cables. Ensure the metal contacts of the FPC cable face the board, then secure the locking tab. Organize the cables on both sides. Push the board into the bracket and secure it with the 3 screws. Make sure no cables are pinched beneath the board. Reconnect the remaining cables in order. Align the plug with the socket and press firmly until seated. Ensure the connector is fully seated. Install the toolhead cable. Insert the cable into the toolhead and secure the 4 screws using your H1.5 Allen key. Install the rear cover. Align the locking tabs on the top first, then close the cover. Press the lower left and right edges to ensure they are locked properly. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.